Formentera Finca in a peaceful rural setting, spanning 30,193 square meters with a traditional casa paisa as the main house and 2 annexes, located just 500 meters from the sea. The current built area is approximately 189 square meters, with the option to expand to up to 400, subject to planning. A form of architecture shaped by wind and seasons, designed to shelter, to endure, and to belong, and now ready to be renewed with care, respecting its origin and proportions. Time here moves differently, slower, quieter, more intentional, a different pace grounded in space, silence, and proportion. From this point, the sea is part of the landscape, not dominant, just present, framing the light and anchoring the silence. The shoreline is just 500 meters away, close enough to reach by foot, yet distant enough to preserve the quiet. Inside the house, a living room, a kitchen, plus additional space customizable for your particular needs. The annexes comprise a studio with kitchen and a separate bathroom structure. The outdoor landscaping shown is a concept illustration, an idea of what might be possible depending on vision and compliance with local regulations. Rooted in island tradition, the architecture reflects the essence of the casa paisa: proportion, simplicity, and walls built to last. Stone, lime, silence. Formentera invites stillness, and in that stillness, a kind of clarity, where the island, the light, and the silence make you feel aligned with the vast, quiet order of the cosmos. For further information, contact us directly. We'll be glad to provide full details.